Hi, Logan. Today was Mommy's first day back at work, and you're 12 weeks old today. September 15th. Mommy was so sad. Right? Oh, what are you doing to your paper? Look how much you move. You're all over the place, baby. Wow. I bet he's going to take more pictures of you. Look what we put up there. Grandma bought you a monkey. You like that? Hmm? You love monkeys. You're a monkey lover. Take it, take it, take it, take it, take it. You're going to get tired pretty soon. Right? Uh-oh, hiccups. Uh-oh. Oh. Are you okay? You move so much. What? What are you doing? What did you do all day today, huh? Did you play with Grandma? You did? Do you miss your grandma? Where did she go? She went to Ate Denise? You always get hiccups. What? Uh-oh, it's stopping. It stopped. Oh, you're mad because it stopped? Daddy's taking pictures. It sucks not being around you all day. Oh, okay. I get you soon. Logan, smile for the camera. You look so sad. Oh. Can I get him?
Yeah.
Sorry, boy. Hey, my baby! Hello,
I emailed you, your
Logan!
mom, and my mom. I didn't know your dad's email, so I figured you could forward.
Thanks.
Oh,
Hello, Logan! What? What happened, boy? What happened? The music stopped? What are you doing? What are you doing, my silly boy? Huh? Okay. No more.